My name is Daniel. Welcome back to my third video on the HTML. So, I hope you guys are getting familiar with the codes used in HTML language. So, we want in this video we will want to be looking at a new type of feature used in HTML language, and such is which is called adding videos and audios to your web page on your website. So to add videos and audios to your website, you use the codes below, and don't forget you are dealing with the body section on your web page. So your whatever you're going to be typing is going to be in the body section. So all you need to do is just to start from where you left off and pressing enter. When you press the enter button, you will be led to this place here. So you're just gonna clear this off, and then this is the code used in adding videos and audios to your web page. First, to add an audio, you make sure that the audio you are about to add is in the same directory as where you saved your web page. So you just head to your directory, which is called my HTML, where you have the web page you are creating, which is called my website. And so this is one of the pictures we uploaded in the last video I showed you. And so we are going to be uploading a song and also this video in our web page. Please do make sure that your song and the video you want to upload is in the same folder as where you saved your web page for it to work and to be displayed on your web page. So this is the name of the song I want to upload on my web page. It's called Machine Gun Kelly the Gunner. So if you would like to rename that music, you can just right click and then you rename. But for the purpose of this video, this feature I'm showing you, I just want to leave it as the name is, and then we can go ahead to include this audio on our web page. So all you need to do is just copy the name of this audio, because you will need this name if you were to include it on your web page. Just copy at Ctrl C, and then you can close it. Then you head to your Sublime Text application, and then you type in the following. This is the set of code used to include audios to your web page. So you start with the tag called audio. The audio tag is used to add audio to your web page. So you can just start by inputting audio, and then you type in source src equals double quotes, and then it is whatever the name of the song is. You can just, once you've copied it, you can just copy paste it there, and using Ctrl V shortcuts, and then it's going to be Machine Gun Kelly the Gunner dot mp4, because it's in the format of a music, mp3 rather. It's in the format of a music, so it's going to be Machine Gun Kelly whatever song dot mp3. And then the last feature you also want to include is the type of audio formats, which is going to be audio /mpeg. So this is the source or the method used to place songs on your page, web page. So once you finish including, sorry, I forgot to include a special feature. The audio tag is called audio controls. So it's not just an ordinary audio tag, it's going to be full of controls that will be displayed on your website, which is going to include the play and pause button and also the volume button. So that's why we include the audio controls to for your music to be fully operational on your website. So please take note that each web browser have different ways of displaying audio controls on their web page. So each browsers have different ways they understand web languages such like this. So I just want to show you guys how this audio is going to look like by the time we load it up on your browser. I use Chrome to run my web codes that I make. So let's see how this song is going to appear on my browser. So please do not forget that this song I uploaded in the code was found in the same directory where I have my website there. So you make sure that the name of the song is in the same folder of your website, and also all other information you need to include in your web page. Please make sure that it's in the same folder for it to work. So now I want to try this my web page because I've included the song, and let's see if the song is going to show. So we're waiting, and there you have it. It's right here. But if you notice, it's not well aligned. So we want to like shift this section here right at the bottom under where you have the sentence. So we want to shift this there. So to check if it's gonna play, just hit the play button. So your song is going to play. So there you have it. You can forward it. You can also increase the volume. You can mute. You can unmute. So that's the way you include songs to your web page. So to align this right under the sentence, just head back to your Sublime text, and then you can make this, you can just cut this out. Cut it. It's going to be Control X. Yeah. Okay. So once you cut it, you can then readjust each center tag, and then you can place using Control B and save it. And then you try it again. You refresh the page, and let's see how it looks like. There you have it. So you can see it's being placed under I live in London. I'm 20 years. And so this is just an example of how you can build simple text using HTML language. So your song will play if you press the play button. You can mute your music. You can increase the volume of the music and reduce. So all this function was being made with using this code called the audio controls, and make sure your audio controls is placed at the center right under the sentence. This is audio controls, and this is the name of the song. Once you finished typing the name of the song, the type of audio format. This MPEG means it's a format of your music, because this MP3 is the short form of MPEG. So it's going to be type audio / MPEG. And also you also close with the audio tag using this format, close tag format. And also you start using your audio controls. It's going to be enter. So that is how you add audio or music to your web page. So to add videos, you still follow the same format, but first start with the center tag, because you will want your video to be in the center. So you start with the center, and then you type in video controls. Still the same format used in placing music to your web page, and then you type in the source of your video, src, and then you type in the name of the video. So I already got one video in my folder where I have my web page, and the name of the video is called Do Little. So I want to include this Do Little video in my web page. So you follow this code. Make sure you copy the name of the video because you will need the name for imputing the codes into your website. So you can just click on properties. There's another way to copy the name. Just Ctrl C, just copy. So you copy the name, then you head to your coding app, and then you paste the title of the video there. But the format, don't forget, it's an MP4. Whatever format the video is, please make sure you impute the format by using the title and then .mp4. Once you've included that, don't forget you need a type of video. It's going to be type /video /mp4. So the type of video is in mp4 format. So it's going to be video /mp4, and then close it. Then can finally close your video tag. So let's see how it results on the web page. Save that. Thank you. So you refresh the page to see the desired effect. And let's see if this works. Yeah, and there you have it. Your video was being placed on your web page, and so you have to wait for it to load. So the music is ready. We are waiting for the video to load. So it's because it's a large file, it's going to take a while to load. So we have to wait. But it do gonna work, and it's just trying to load the page. Sorry, it's taking much time. It's loading, keeps on loading, and there you have it. Your video is ready to play. So once you hit the play button, the video has started playing. So this is how you add videos and audio to your web page. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and then in the next video I'll be showing you how you can add a table to your web page. Yeah, that's going to be what we're going to talk about in the next video, how you can make a table of information on your web page. Thank you guys for watching. Don't miss out on my other important videos. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on any video. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.